Hi guys, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine.
And we're the co-founders of Glow Recipe.
Today we're taking a look at dark circles and how to treat and prevent them.
I feel like everyone at some point in their life deals with dark circle concerns. They're stubborn and they're hard to get rid of. Sometimes they're caused by genetics or simply lack of sleep. Today we're going to look at exactly what causes dark circles.
If you're genetically prone to hyperpigmentation, you might be more likely to get dark circles. Also, lack of sleep is a huge culprit of dark circles.
Yes, and me every day.
The struggle is real. And the reason for this is the lack of shut-eye impacts us in so many different ways. It can cause fluid retention, which casts shadows. It can cause puffiness, a number of issues that really contribute to dark circles and making it look more pronounced.
Fatigue in general makes your under eyes look dark and sallow. Your skin also thins and loses collagen as you age, which could be a cause to more pronounced veins and therefore dark circles.
And then allergies, straining your eyes too hard at different screens, including your phone or computer, eye dryness, dehydration can also contribute to the problem.
With all that being said, let's talk about how we can prevent and treat and protect our eyes from getting dark circles. If they're caused by puffiness, using something very cold could be the fastest way to actually depuff and get rid of dark circles. Personally, I use a cold spoon. I put it in the fridge at least 30 minutes before using it. It's really effective in early mornings. You can also use an eye massaging tool or give yourself a lymphatic massage to drain excess fluid from your eye area.
Another easy fix is to just get more sleep. 7 to 8 hours is the recommended amount for adults, which is the dream. And then another tip is actually to sleep with your head a little bit more elevated to prevent fluid from pooling around the eye area. So an extra pillow or two can help.
Another way to treat your dark circles is to use products that are made specifically for your eye area. That's why we created the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask.
Our new eye mask was specifically created to treat dark circles and puffiness. So the eye area is very, very delicate and is one of the places in the face that shows aging the fastest. And the reason for this is that there are no sebum glands, there are no hair follicles. There's really not a lot of natural lubrication happening in that area. So it's really important to keep it moisturized, nourished, but with a formula that's designed for this delicate area, because very often if a product's not ophthalmologist tested or created specifically for the eye area, it can migrate into the eyes and irritate it. And I've personally noticed that if I use products that aren't formulated for the eye area too close to the eyes, it really irritates my eyes.
The skin under your eyes is also much thinner, which is why it's so prone to puffiness and why dark veins show through so easily. When we formulated our new eye mask, we knew we really wanted to include gentle encapsulated retinol in the formulation. Retinoids have been shown to help increase collagen production and increase skin cell turnover. So when used under your eyes, it can make your dark circles less visible.
It's also made with hyaluronic acid, niacinamides, and ceramides to keep the eye area soft and moisturized.
We also included vitamins A, C, and E to help protect the eye area, brighten them, and make dark circles less visible.
Another exciting ingredient we have in the formula is coffee berry. Coffee berry comes from the coffee plant and has caffeine. And caffeine has been shown to help constrict blood vessels under the eye area, help promote microcirculation, all of which can help dark circles. But in addition to having caffeine, coffee berry is actually an amazing antioxidant, which helps to protect the eye area too.
So when should you use an eye mask to treat the dark circles? You can treat dark circles anytime and all the time. Our Avocado Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask works with your body's natural repair cycle when it's worn overnight for maximum benefits. And you can also dab it on in the morning as your daytime routine.
So if you do decide to wear it during the daytime, generally with retinol treatments, it's recommended to use a sunscreen on top. So remember to use a SPF tested for the eye area on top of the eye mask.
Have any more questions about dark circles? Leave them in the comments below.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Get your glow on!